That white helicopter again. Spying us from the skies now. See if it comes back later. Back there it is. It's now about 23 minutes later. It's a white helicopter. It's pretty big. About 8, I can hear it coming. Hell is it? There it is. That's a different one. I don't know what the hell they're doing, but that's a different one. This one's white and a navy blue, maybe black. The other one's just white. Notice about every 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Later. See? What the fuck are they doing? They were just like in the back of my house. And I didn't get time to run back there and grab it. So about 11 minutes later, here we are again. He's out this end again, front. Where'd he go? There he is, way back there. Later. There it is. Behind that house, son of a bitch. There it is. There's that other one. See, now that pure white one disappeared. Must be somewhere else now. It's weird. It's like they're scanning or something. I don't know where it went.